Let's make peach bars with a blueberry swirl. Here are the ingredients you'll need for the crust layer. One side note about this recipe is that it comes out pretty dry because of the way coconut flour absorbs moisture. If you would prefer your bottom layer a little less like a biscuit texture, add in about 1/2 cup of almond milk. However, this is up to you. Some people like this layer crumbly and others like it moist. All you have to do is combine your flours, maple syrup, olive oil, eggs, vanilla, and spices that add a little bit of warmth and depth to this layer in a bowl. Mix until combined. Mine looks like this, and it is crumbly because I chose the dry alternative to create variation with texture. In an 8 by 8 inch pan, press in the bottom layer until it's 1 1/2 inches thick. If you have batter left over, that is totally okay, just save it for a later step. You can use this leftover batter as a crumble on top of the bars. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is just an initial bake. It is going to go back in the oven with filling later, so do not worry if it's not fully cooked. Now you can prepare your peach and blueberry layers. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Start by placing your blueberries and vinegar in a saucepan. The vinegar helps to pull the natural juices out of the berries, and it will reduce to make the sauce thick. I'm using a white peach balsamic, which I can link below if you're interested, but any kind of balsamic would work. Place the saucepan on medium heat and allow the mixture to simmer for about 10 minutes, or until thick. While that cooks, we can work on the peach layer, but make sure to keep an eye on the sauce as it can easily burn if not checked on. And can we take a moment to appreciate how pretty peaches are? All you have to do to make this layer is prepare your peaches by cutting them in half, removing the pit, and then running your knife between the flesh and the skin to remove the fuzzy outside. And then place the peaches in a blender with the eggs, maple syrup, and coconut flour. Blend your ingredients together until smooth. This is what the blueberry sauce will look like when thickened and ready. When both the peach mixture and the blueberry swirl are ready, it's time to assemble the bars. Start by pouring the peach mixture on top of the partially baked crust. Then take spoonfuls of blueberry and place them in areas around the pan. And this is where you get to embrace your inner artist and make any kind of design you want. Finally, take the leftover crust and scatter it on top as a crumble. The bars are going to bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes. After you remove them from the oven, allow them to cool before placing into the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Then remove the bars from the pan, slice, and enjoy or freeze individually for later. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and check out my channel for other content.